So I thought this class was very interesting, and it brought in a lot of insights into how to think about solving problems without trying to design it, without even knowing what the user will ultimately need. And especially beneficial, I thought, was the desirability versus the feasibility graph, because that really brought insight into how we can start thinking about some ideas that we may not consider when we're first formulating the solution.
Hey, my name is Ben. Thanks again to the MJV team for this design thinking sprint. We really appreciate you guys coming here. It was a nice break for us from our busy schedules for you guys to come out and kind of reset and rewind and start with the basics. So again, thank you, much appreciated from Panasonic. Thanks.
So this is the second project that we've done with MJV. I think what they really bring to us that we don't have is experience outside of the automotive industry. It's very easy for us to get caught up in the solutions that are in the automotive industry today. So we're very excited to work with the MJV team to come up with some ideas that are outside of the box. So I would also compliment MJV on the materials that they provided for our first project and the work that's been done for this project. Very professional graphics and very professional work products that come out of that. So thank you.
Some of these times you can come to a workshop where people are trying to be creative and so on and use various tools and so on, but it can feel like a bit of an add-on, a bit gimmicky. But this really made sense. The process made sense.
So we did a lot of thinking first and brainstorming what the problems were and potential solutions. But when we actually started getting hands-on and active building things, that was when most of the ideas came to the table. So I thought that was really good.
I've experienced quite a lot of workshops in my time, and some work and some don't, and this one really worked.